My name is Jesse Neal. I'm with Ernest Metals. We are basically trying to go more automated, more robotic, and that's where we landed on the PreFabCo. So the benefits of the robotic plasma versus what we were doing before was we're taking 3 operators, 3 different processes and moving it into one area. The guy doesn't have to do any kind of loading of his machine. It's all automated coming into the shop. He unloads the finished goods and sends it on up to the weld shop. It's saved us a tremendous amount of time. The one thing I will say about the PreFabCo team, their service is second to no one out there. There's an online chat, and within 5 or 10 minutes of me putting out a question, I'm getting a response and getting the machine doing what I need it to do instantly. I mean, we have different service teams that we use on other equipment, and it might be 24 hours before we can get a response. PreFabCo is instantly helping us. That's how good the service is. What we're using it for is building flanges for our part, any kind of channel and beam holes for just little piece parts. It's been amazing in that way. The consumables for PreFabCo that they use hypertherm plasma cutter. So any of your local weld shops, we were able to get replacement parts same day, which has been tremendous. No long wait times on getting consumables. We've had some hiccups where an operator has done the wrong thing and had to replace some parts, and the PreFabCo team has went out of their way to go and get us those parts. Next day aired, no questions asked, getting stuff done and getting it to us, so that's been amazing too. The cleanup of the parts, very little cleanup. We got a guy, the same operator, while the next part is getting processed, he takes a little hand grinder, knocks a little bit of the burr off. As far as any kind of hole cleanup, you don't have to worry about it. The machine is phenomenal cutting process-wise.